Hi everyone. We have made a Gmail web app which classifies your emails. It basically goes through the content of your incoming mails and classifies the mail based on the content of the previously classified mails. For example, here you can see that some mails have been classified into two folders, the work folder and the personal folder. For the classification, we implemented supervised machine learning. It uses the word frequency of the content. For example, here the word energy is coming many times, like over here, and over here and here. So basically, it uses the frequency of the words. Uh, After, it also uses special tokens such as the number of URLs, if there are any URL in the mail, currency signs. For example, there is a dollar sign over here or the rupee sign, the numbers that are present in the mail, and the mail IDs that are present, for example to, from, and if there are other mail IDs present in the mail. We used pause tagging to remove the redundant features from the feature vector. For example, the word the, of, that, these redundant words have been removed by using pause tagging. We implemented various algorithms like SVM, random forest, naive Bayes, etc. on the Enron mail data, and the results are present in the documentation which you can see below. So let's run the algorithm on this and see how these mails will be classified. So now the algorithm is running. We hope to improve the accuracy of the algorithms by using various sampling and regression methods and some natural language processing, so that the classification can be more accurate than what it is now. The script is running at present, and it will take around a minute or two, after which the mails will be automatically classified. So the unclassified mails have been classified after running the script. Here you can see that these 6 mails belong to the personal folder and they have been correctly classified in personal. These 6 mails belong to the work folder. Some of them have been incorrectly classified. Here, Google has an auto classification feature in Gmail now. It classifies our emails into 5 regular folders. Ours is an attempt for a wider implementation of intelligent email classification, as it classifies emails into your desired number and type of folders. Hope you all appreciate the attempt. Thank you.